Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you that why your English is at the same level where you were started. Yes my friend, still you are there. So why is it happening? Yes my friend, why is it happening? You have been trying but it's not getting the result, the appropriate result which you want. So what's the problem? What kind of mistakes you have done? So in this video I'm going to tell you that if you apply these things in your day-to-day life, you will see a drastic change in your English communication skill. Yes my friend, you can see the drastic change. For that you need to follow all the rules which I tell in this video. So let's get started the video. So what are the things? See my friend, I tell again and again, no matter whatever happens, you need to be consistent. You must need to be consistent with your work, with your English communication journey. You need to read all day long. At least you need to read every day a little. Every day a little. You have to write, you have to speak, you have to listen to. You can listen to podcasts, you can listen to my videos. There are numerous videos which I have uploaded which would help you. And there are many YouTubers also, those who are telling you that many kind of things which you can apply in your day-to-day life and you can improve your English. Yes my friend, you have to do something every single day. Don't procrastinate. Never ever do that. If you procrastinate, nothing you can see. You can see nothing. You will be at the same level where you have started earlier. So my friend, you have to be consistent. A little improvement every day is must needed. All these videos, all these grammar rules, it's never gonna happen if you don't consistent with your work, with your English speaking journey, with your English learning journey. So you can do in the morning time. If you are if when you are getting up, if you just read a little bit, any kind of magazines you can read, you can listen to podcasts, you can listen to music also, English songs also, you can listen to that, and that's how your English will improve. Yes my friend, you have to do it every single day. Just try for few days, try for at least for 30 days you do, then you see that, because consistent is necessary to achieve anything in life. Same way, if you are not consistent with your work, with your English speaking journey, nothing will happen, nothing. A little improvement also, there is a book I have read, it is called The Slight Edge. So in this book, what there is written, you have to just do a little, every single day a little improvement. Just suppose you're just beginner, you just want to start the journey. For that you just need to read magazine, you can read, or if you don't understand anything, just simply short movies you can watch. Short movies are, on YouTube, it's readily available. It's very small, and for 10 minutes, 5 minutes, you can start with that. So why don't you start my friend, start soon. And my friend, please don't wait for your friends. Yes my friend, most of us do this mistake when we are in college or school, that when my friends will go from January 1st, that time I will join the classes, English speaking classes, and from there I will start my journey. That's never gonna happen, because most of your friends, when they are in college or in school, they are not interested to learn a new language. Yes my friend, they are not interested. So mostly you will see that they are like this, they are not interested to learn a new language. They are not. So you have to start that. Just don't wait for them, just go. If you can afford, just go to an English speaking class, just start that. If you'll pay, then you are bound to go there. So paying is also a very important, I think so, that you have to pay. And if you want to take online classes, that's also great. There are Cambly, and you can pay there and you can start your journey. And my friend, please don't afraid. You shouldn't afraid. What will happen? Nothing will happen if you're afraid to speak in English. What will happen? Nothing will happen. You just need to start that. If you're thinking that no, I'm not able to speak, I feel my friend says that I'm not that much good in English. So what your friend says, or a relative, or anybody who's saying that yes, you can't improve, you can't speak, so what? They will say. But when after 2 years, 3 years, you will start speaking well, they will come to you and they will say, wow, you have learned it. How did you do that? Because you were learning, you were speaking with your friends, with your families, and sometimes alone, and some friends, you're trying that. They were not consistent, so they didn't learn that. So it is as simple as that, my friend. It's as simple as that. You must have to practice, you must have to speak every day. Just remember that. Another problem occurs that your friends judge you. Yes, my friend. Yes, they judge you that maybe he's doing something wrong, and why he's learning English, what he will do or she will do with that language, why he's just learning it. They just judge your English. Yes, so don't afraid, they will judge, let them judge, but you know that why you are learning. If you know it properly, you know that your job opportunities you will get good friends, in social dynamics, and you can talk to different people from different countries. That's why you are learning. So there are not only one reason, there are numerous reasons to learn this language. So why you are just waiting? Don't wait, and just start speaking, just start learning. Just start that, my friend, just start. And one question I get from everyone, almost everyone, they ask me that from where I should start. There is no such thing that from where I can start. You can start from anything, a book, a podcast, a video, a storybook, whatever it could be anything. Or just start speaking with someone. You know someone who speaks English, just start that. That's your journey, and you can learn from anything. So start learning that, anything from everywhere. You just go and just learn. Just start that. Okay, so my friend, thank you for today, and thank you once again for watching and liking my content. Thank you very much.